Hello, I am submitting Project 0 of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Here is search. We can search anything in the search bar and it takes the query to the Google and it search for it. So as I search for CS50, so it takes the query and searches in the Google. I have also two links for images and advanced search. So in images we can search for any image. Uh, so we can search for Germany or a flower. So we get any flowers pictures, and it also has a back to search Google search link. So we can go back to Google search, and it also has an advanced search. So for advanced search, let's say TP, and exact phrase is time. Any of these words, time or pass or time. So none of these words. So so it gives the correct output for some input. It also has a link to go back to the Google search.